Hi, this is Hatsiri, and this is my assignment for this week. Um, I'm still working on it, but I decided to show you the things that I'm working on. So first, I followed one of the tutorials that um, you provided us the last week. That is the authentication with GitHub. So I followed that tutorial, and this is my view here. And when I click the sign in with GitHub, well, I have my session active. So here is a token for this authorized um, for GitHub. But one thing that I'm struggling with is that I just cannot make the connection with Swagger. So I know, or I understand that here in this part when I get the token, I need to use this token to authorize the APIs. So I just look at a lot of pages, but I'm still working on understand how connect this part of the token with Swagger. So I looked at the readings for the authentication specification, and what I understand is that I need to add these components to the Swagger, and I tried here in this part with the client's credentials with this access token. I need this access token from this token, so I just cannot like link yet that part from here, that connection, or that link with the authentication with GitHub, and then with Swagger. So I'm still working on this part. So I know that it's not complete the assignment, but I really want to make it work. So I'm going to look for your help through the Microsoft Teams and Agenda, and like a meeting with you to make this part work, or if I have it, I'm going to send you. But yeah, so I got this authentication, but I cannot I don't know how to make this token that I got for the authentication here. So I think I'm close, I don't know. But please, I'm going to be waiting for your help and your feedback. So thank you, and see you soon. Sorry. Something that I just, for example, I tried this, and this, where is it? The root rest. I thought here I can do that, that requests, but in this part, the authorize, I need the client ID. I don't know how to like use the firewalls here, and something that I thought is that I can do the authentication and the authorization here in the routes REST, but I had not time enough to do this part. So yes, you can see I think I'm a little lost in this part, but I'm going to keep trying. So thank you and see you next week.